Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. I wanted to make this quick video regarding the Swatch Audemars Piguet Royal Pop release and the fact that some of you are spending 6 to 8, maybe even 10 times the retail price for these watches that are not a limited release in the sense that they will not be available a few months from now. So as you can see, I am on eBay and these are going to be sold comps, and you can see that there are people spending around $3,000 for these watches. So there are going to be those that only spend around $1,000 and those around $2,500 to $3,000. Now guys, you are paying that for a plastic, so a bioceramic watch that has a non-serviceable movement. So you have to take into consideration that after a few years, when this watch isn't going to keep time or it isn't going to work anymore, you won't be able to service it. Now if we go on eBay as well to sold comps, you can see that you can get a, let's say, 1970s Rolex watch with the same budget. So as you can see, this 1970s 34 millimeters Rolex watch, 2,500. 1970s Rolex Cellini 18K yellow gold manual wind with crocodile strap, 2,600. You have here a bunch of either Rolex or Tudor watches. I only went and searched for sold comps for 1970s Rolex watches. So you can see that you can spend a lot less for a Rolex watch that some of you are spending on a plastic bioceramic non-serviceable manual winding pocket watch, and you are going to spend another few $100s on a strap that is going to accommodate that watch. So I wanted to make this quick video in order to advise those of you that just went with the hype and to make you understand that you are going to overpay for a plastic watch when you can actually go and buy a legitimate Rolex watch for less or the same amount that you are paying on eBay. If you plan on buying the Swatch watch, I would definitely recommend to buy it at retail, or at least just pay, let's say, $50 to $100 extra and wait for this hype to, let's say, fade away and not overpay this amount of money for something that is plastic, once again, non-serviceable, and is a pocket watch. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that this video helped a few of you, and hopefully, in case you want to watch even more content around watches, make sure to subscribe, and I'm going to see you guys in the next video.